Hop into the 2016 Audi Q3. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a stylish, capable Q3 that offers a spirited driving experience, all-wheel drive, premium materials and craftsmanship, and an impressive suite of the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Indulge in the pleasure of luxury and style in this striking Q3. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.